Hi folks, welcome back to the bench. Today we've got a 12-string guitar with a fallen inside jack socket. We're going to show you how we get it out and back up and running. We'll zoom in for a close-up. So what we need, long screwdriver, your nut and washer that's fallen off on the screwdriver, ready to go. We're going to feed into the guitar. We're going to attach onto the screwdriver, pull it through. In theory, this should take one attempt. It has taken me several. Back in a sec. Nut and washer on, through the jack socket hole. I'm going to try and attach, this is the awkward bit, hand in. I'll try and feel for the connection, which is somewhere about there. As we start to pull through, nice and gently does it. There's our jack socket. We'll put our washer through, and then the nut, and then we can just tighten. Hold in place, and then just tighten as necessary. And there we have it, folks, all done and ready to rock and roll once again. Should it ever happen to you, you know what to do. As I always say, another day, another guitar. See you soon.